Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is all about the worst logos of all times. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The first one. Now this is actually a logo designed in 1973 for the Catholic Church Archdiocesan Youth Commission. It even won an award from the Art Directors Club of Los Angeles. I can't believe it. I mean, you can actually see what is happening in the logo. What you can assume is totally upon to you. It's a very simple logo. It tells a message that Catholic Church cares about the youth. Like what you can see in the logo is a father standing in front of a child. But here, not everyone shares the same thinking. Number 2, the A-style logo was born well before the line of clothing designed in 1989 and marketed in Italy since 1999. It was in fact an invention of his creator who began to attack Italian cities with stickers on a yellow background with A-style logo, followed by other cities including Miami, Moscow, and London. The newspapers and television began to interested in this strange appearance of the logo, and soon the company started marketing their product under the brand A-style. It actually is very, very eye-catchy, isn't it? But not a good logo. I can't believe someone actually designed this for a clothing brand. Strange, but effective, isn't it? Number 3, Office of Government Commerce. In the first sight, this logo looks kind of okay, normal like any other logo, but if you turn it around a bit on the right angle, it looks very, very different. You should be very, very much careful with the packaging design of this logo. Number 4, and this logo is for Arlington Pediatric Center. Just check their website and apparently they have changed their logo to something more pleasing. It's no longer a pedophilic center. Now it has something to do with crabs. Funny fail again, or is it their marketing strategy? Can be. Number 5, and the best brand of the world, but worst logo ever. Pepsi. While all this might look like a joke, it gets even funnier when you look at the Pepsi Max logo. It has nearly twice the caffeine of Pepsi's other cola beverages. We are not sure what drinking Pepsi Max is supposed to do for you, but based on what it did to this guy Tummy here, we'd suggest staying away from it. I don't drink cola, and I suggest everyone to not to drink cola. It really is bad for you. Drink a lemonade, but don't drink cola or any sweetened drink. Number 6, Clinica Dental logo looks really funny. The designer actually wanted to showcase how this doctor is treating his patient, but he actually forgot to make the chair, and the patient is actually floating, or maybe if you turn it around a bit and it looks really different from this angle, isn't it? Number 7, now this logo, Computer Doctors, I mean, it really what the designer was thinking. I just can't believe it. We make computers work for you? I mean, you can't design, really. You can't. The designer actually wanted to design a wired mouse, but the design came out like this. Disappointing, isn't it? Number 8, Institute of Oriental Study, China restaurant. I mean, what are you feeding people? I can't believe this logo exists. Why the hell, what the designer was thinking? Why nobody have noticed this kind of detail? I can't believe it. The designer basically wanted to create some kind of hut, but it looks something else. Very, very disappointing. And there is no detail. I mean, no detail at all. What were the thinking with this design? Have a look at this one. Number 9, Cadaver of Pharmacy. I mean, this K looks like 2 people, isn't it? And what are you trying to do? I've been to their website, and they have actually changed their logo. They have received many reviews, and the designer has been fired. I would have fired that designer. If my designer would have created this, in the first case I would have not approved the design, or if somebody else had approved it, I would have fired him. Really, really disappointing. Number 10. Now, what you are seeing here is spacing problem. There should be some spacing in this logo. Now, this is very serious. When it comes to kids, it's very serious, and I hate it. This is kids exchange, and it looks something else, because what they have played is with colors. Now look at the color of the D and look at the color of the C in X. This word SEX is highlighting, and I think the designer had done it on purpose. I mean, it's horrible. Or maybe these are their marketing skills. I don't know, but it's still horrible. No, this is serious, isn't it? I don't like it. Don't do that. You guys, please don't do this with your design. Nobody likes it. Number 11. Now, this logo was really in the news in 2012, and not because of the event, but because of the ugliness of this logo. This logo was designed by Wolff Olins at an expenditure of, you won't believe it, 400,000 pounds, almost $800,000. The logo has been met with expected ambivalence, and in some unavoidable cases hated actually. So far in 11,550 cases. I mean, who loves this logo? Nobody. I'm not talking about the color. I mean, you don't design something like this. You must not. What are you trying to depict here? The worst logo? You must not do these kind of mistakes with your design. They may be doing something with the marketing by creating these kind of designs. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to push the bell icon. Thanks for watching.